This discovery will make you a whole lot of money online, not just online, it will also make you a whole lot offline. If you take advantage of this might just be the smart way of printing money you've been searching for. So do well to watch this video to the end so you can understand everything, every details of how to go about it. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I bring to you different ways of making money online and offline. I try out different things we see in videos, in lectures, and I check and bring to you what works for me. And I also tell you the lessons learned from each one I try out so you can see if it's worth your time, because sometimes what works for me might not work for you because we have different audience, we have different grades. So I'll be trying out different ways of making money. Some you may have heard before, some you may be hearing them for the first time. But as I try them out, I'll be bringing them to you to tell you how much they pay me and also the procedure in getting paid. And even the ones that won't pay me, I'll still bring them to you so you can see. It might not pay me, but it will pay you. Maybe you might actually have a different audience that can help you get paid, or maybe you have a different way of going about it. What we want to talk about today is how to easily convert images, that's written documents, into that's handwritten documents, either in image format or either in a handwritten form or typed. We want to convert it into a typed document. That is, instead of having to type it on your computer with your keyboard, using your Microsoft Word or whatever of Word Office document you use, we are going to be snapping, taking the pictures, we'll write them out, we'll take the picture, and I'm going to show you how you can convert them into a typed, clean, neatly typed document in few seconds. Yes, it takes only seconds to convert it. I'm going to be putting you through this. The platform we're going to be using for this conversion is ChatGPT. I know someone would say this ChatGPT again, but I can bet you'd never knew they have this feature. It's a new feature that just got rolled out because they keep rolling out new features day by day. And if ChatGPT has never added a value to your life, I bet this is going to add value to it. It's going to add some money in your pocket and it's going to help you with ease of your work. You'll get more work. If you can even use it for to get freelancing job, even if you don't have any other skill. This does not even require any skill. So just watch and see the magic we are going to perform. The first thing we are going to do is to type in the website address in our browser. You can actually download the app. I don't have the app downloaded on my phone. I usually use the website. So you're going to type in the website, which is chatgpt.com. Sometimes I use chat.openai.com. It's going to be on the screen. You can see it on the screen in case you missed the spelling, the pronunciation. So you're going to type it and then you log in. I'm already signed in because I use it often. You can see we're already signed in and it's asking us what can I help you with. Logged in because I use it almost every day now, because I can tell you that the most money I've made online since I started working online is from performing this task for people. I get gigs online, I get gigs offline. I've done this transcription for a lot of people. I've done it for students, I've done it for people writing projects, I've done it for people trying to write their books. You know, there are different ways of making money from these things. Even if you don't want to use it for money, it can help you. Imagine you have bulk of work to type and you're thinking of the money, you're thinking of a way to save cost, and you can easily just snap it out and edit yourself and take to the business center to print it out. Or if you even have your printer yourself, that even makes it easier for you. So we're already logged in and you can see it's already asking us, what can I help you with? So the first thing we want to do is to snap a handwritten document. We're going to snap it directly from the camera this time. I'm going to hold it in my hand, snap it, and then tell it to change it to a typed document for us. It's going to bring out the text and type it for us. We're going to explore different ways of converting these documents, but this is the first one we are going to do. So the first thing we're going to do is to upload the file we want to convert to text. So what we're going to do is we're going to click that attached file icon. You can see that icon I'm clicking on. When you click on the attached file icon, it's going to open a list for you, and at the bottom of the list you see upload file. So the file we want it converted now, we want it to convert, we're going to upload it for it to convert it. So there are different ways of uploading files for conversion, but the first one we're going to explore is uploading straight from the camera. So what I want to do now is click the attached file icon, and then it's going to display different options whether to upload from camera. You can see it showed camera, media file, or it's going to give you options whether to upload from camera, whether to upload from your gallery, or any other means. But this first one we want to do is we are going to tell it to upload from the camera. That is, I'm going to set the document in my hand and snap directly and upload directly. So we're going to select the first option, which is the camera. Then it opens my phone camera. I set the document and I take a picture of it. Then I'm going to click on that tick to show we are done. Then after then, you see it's uploading. It's going to load and load. When it's done loading, you're going to see it complete a cycle. Then when it's done completing the cycle, you tell it what you want it to do. So right now we're going to prompt it. We're going to say, write out the text in this image, because that's what we want it to do, to write out the text in the image. And once it's done loading, within split seconds, if your network is really very fast, before you snap your fingers, you see your text already generated. It's going to write out every single text in the paper you snapped within seconds. So you can see how great this thing is. So you can make a lot of money with it because it's not stressful, it's very fast, it doesn't take energy, it doesn't take time. So you can get as much job as you want, and you can even give discounts on the job, because this is not costing you much now. So why won't you even be able to give discounts? You can see it has neatly generated the text in this image for me. And you know one good thing about this app, even if you cannot read your client's handwriting, even if you find it difficult reading those handwriting, it's so smart that it's going to generate the correct word for you. Don't bother if you can't read it. You're not the one going to read it, because you're not typing it. Just snap it, just upload the picture, and it's going to translate, it's going to generate it for you, it's going to write it out for you correctly. You'll see you will not have issues. This thing is practically almost smarter than human being. Yeah, I think so. In this aspect, it's smarter because the things we cannot read, it can read it and decode it, and it's going to write it out correctly for you. So right now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to generate another text, but this time around from a document that was snapped and sent to me by a client. So we're going to repeat what we did the first time, which is click on the attached file icon, then click on attached upload file. But this time around, we are going to, on my phone, it calls it media picker. We're going to choose media picker. Media picker is what takes us to our gallery. So right now, I'm going to pick from the picture that's been snapped to me, another handwritten document that was snapped to me. So right now, you can see I've uploaded it, and you can see before I even snap my fingers, it's already generating it, and it's the exact text in that document. So this is the method you can use in uploading from your gallery if you don't want to snap directly. That's if your client is far from you and you're not the one that took the pictures. So this is how to go about it. You can see how fast it is. So the next one we're going to do, I want you to note that it's not only handwritten document that can be converted. We can convert more files. But before then, I want you to note that when you're done with this, all you need to do is copy the entire text. You can see you select the text, part of text you need, then you copy it. I just did mine. You copy, select it, you copy, then you paste it on whatever software you want to use to edit. Even though you can do bulk of the editing right here. So I'm going to drop another video where I will explain how you can edit from here. So I'm going to upload a screenshot of a WhatsApp chat between me and someone. That's to show you that it's not only handwritten documents that can be converted. If it was typed before, you can still convert it. Even if it's a screenshot from the web, like maybe you search something on Google, you now screenshot it, you want it in text form so you can edit it somewhere. It's very easy, you can do it. You can see I just uploaded from my gallery a screenshot, and then you prompt it, write out the text in this image, then you click on this arrow facing up, that white arrow facing up. Then you can see within split seconds it's telling you, showing you what's in the text. So it's not only handwritten document, either it was typed and you screenshot it, or you snapped it directly, it was photocopy, it will generate it neatly and correctly for you. Please, if you've watched this video to this point and you find it valuable, do well to share, drop your comments. You can drop questions, I will attend to them in the comment section. Like the video, it will help the video to be shown to more people and encourage me to do more. Please, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I want to give you a bonus update. There's a limit to the number of free files you can upload and decode in a day. It will get to a point to see that attached file icon is no longer active. That means you can no longer upload or decode any file for the day. So what you have to do if you don't have money for the premium plan is just log out of this particular one, and then sign up with a new email. Of course, there's no limit to the number of Gmail we can open. Even in a day, you can open as many as you want. So before you're able to afford the premium plan, you can open as many email as possible, and then you keep logging out. And then when you log out, when you've exhausted this free one, you log out of it, then you sign up newly with a new email. So that's how to break the premium, how to bypass the premium package if you don't want to. But by the time you start getting gigs, the premium package fund would mean nothing to you. You find it easy, and because you're getting gigs and it's easy for you instead of going through this long route of bypassing it. So you see that it's very easy for you. So you can see on my screen how you log out. You click the two the two lines on the top left part of your screen. That's on top at the left. You see those two lines, one is longer than the other. You click on it, it's going to open you a very long details of your history of everything you've been doing on the app. So from there, you're going to go to the bottom, scroll down to the bottom, you see logout, then you log out. Then after logging out, you enter the website address again. After entering the website address, it's going to ask you to log in or you sign up. So this time around, you're going to sign up because you're signing up as a new user. So it's going to open for you. Then you select to continue with email. So when we continue with Google, so when you choose continue with Google, it's going to take you to the different Gmails you have. You select the new one you want to use, and that's it. So you can keep doing that till you are able to afford the premium.